Hey guys, what's up? Apple recently announced its new iPad with slimmer bezels and all new tech inside, and Microsoft launched its Surface Pro 6 a couple of weeks ago. With the iPad Pro releasing in a few days, I thought it would be a great idea to see if the new iPad Pro is ready to take on the Microsoft Surface Pro 6. In this video, I will be comparing the 12.9-inch model to the Surface Pro 6. This is your Tech Panda, and here is how these products stack up against each other so far. Let's talk about display. The new Surface Pro comes with a 12.3-inch display with a resolution of 2736 by 1824, and the iPad Pro comes at a 12.9-inch display with a resolution of 2732 by 2048. The iPad Pro has a PPI of 264 while Surface Pro comes with a pixel per inch of 267. This higher pixels per inch on a smaller display does make Surface Pro look more crisp and vivid, but iPad Pro comes with a ProMotion technology at 120Hz refresh rate panel as compared to the 60Hz on the Surface Pro. Another thing which makes the iPad display a bit better is the brightness of 600 nits as compared to the 400 nits brightness of the Surface Pro 6. Both the tablets are built using stunning aluminium, with the Surface Pro coming in two finishes, platinum and a new black color, whereas the iPad Pro comes in its traditional silver and space grey color from Apple. Also, the bezels on the iPad are much smaller, giving it a more immersive experience. Here are the dimensions of both the devices. You can see despite having a larger display, iPad Pro is still thinner and lighter than the Surface Pro. The iPad Pro comes with Apple's new A12X chip, while the Surface Pro can be configured to either i5 or i7 from Intel's 8th generation of processors. Let's talk about the cameras. The iPad Pro comes with a front 7-megapixel true depth camera with a 1080p video. This new camera set also enables features like Face ID, an emoji and portrait selfie on iPad. On the other hand, the Surface Pro comes with a 5-megapixel camera with a 1080p video. At the rear, iPad has a 12-megapixel camera and is capable of recording a 4K video, and the Surface Pro comes only with the 8-megapixel camera at 1080p resolution. Speaking of connectivity guys, this year Apple has finally moved to USB-C by ditching its Lightning port. But as you can see, the Surface Pro also comes with a lot of different types of connectors, but USB-C on iPad enables it to have more benefits, such as connecting to external displays or charging your phone, and faster data transfers as well. Apple claims the new iPad Pro has a battery of 10 hours, which is quite a disappointment considering the last 12.9-inch iPad had a battery of 12 hours. On the other hand, the Surface Pro comes with a battery life of 13.5 hours according to Microsoft. Finally, we have the price. The 12.9-inch iPad starts at $999 with 64GB storage, and price increases for more storage. On the other hand, we have Surface Pro 6 at $899, and its price can also be changed depending on the configuration. Both the devices comes with their own separate accessories as well, and I have mentioned their prices here. Well, the iPad Pro is supposed to be stronger and faster than ever before. It is really hard to tell if it can beat the Surface Pro in performance. On the other hand, the Surface Pro comes with more ports, a fully equipped desktop operating system, and a lower price tag. But the iPad has better design, impressive cameras, and a built-in USB-C. So which one is a better computer? I will let you guys decide and be the judge. Please let me know in the comments, are you team iPad or the team Surface Pro? Please give this video a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button for more amazing videos like this. I'm your Tech Panda, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.